Why do I get a general failure when pinning host name on a Win7 node on the network? This is a very peculiar problem with a station on our network. The client PC is running Windows 7 Pro. What makes this problem interesting is that this client is the only node on the network that seems to be experiencing this problem. When I try to ping a specific Win08 server by host name, I get an IPv6 address and get general failure. But when I ping its IPv4 address, it responds just fine.
Found out through reading a couple of other posts that IPv6 is not exactly disabled by unchecking the protocol in the network adapter settings. Also, there's prefix policies built into Windows that favors IPv6 over IPv4. Turns out Microsoft has some tools that help with choosing precedence or choosing to disable IPv6 altogether on their site. Still not sure why I got the general failure message in the first place, but at least I was able to fix the precedence using the Microsoft Fixit 50410 on that page. Prefer IPv4 over IPv6 in prefix policies.
I had a similar issue. I had to uninstall the AnyConnect mobility client. I had a constant ping running and was getting the general failure to 8.8.8.8. As soon as the uninstall was halfway done, I was back to being able to ping.
I would get this error after accessing a site, connecting to my corporate VPN, accessing the same site. It didn't happen for all sites, just sites that we, the company, published. To fix it, I ran.
In my situation, I found peer block caused this. Some applications block HTTP traffic, peer block for example. These cause pings to fail via the general failure error message. The way I found the application causing this was to kill processes one by one and checking the pings. Eventually, I killed peer block in my case and my pings started working. If your pings are failing only for a few sites, it most likely firewall, antivirus, or some other HTTP interception/blocking application like PeerBlock, Charles, Wireshark, etc.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.